in a solid placing. He's just one place behind Joao Ricardo Vieira in terms of the total scores, but Mauney with 100 points already, well placed. JB Mauney does it again. The fans wanted it. Mauney wanted it. Long John has been bested, and it goes to the hands of the judges. 92 and a quarter, Mac.
Craig, I mean, what else can you say? That is what makes JB Mauney so great. The bulls, we talked about Long John right there. This is one of the top 5 bulls in the world, according to Cody Lambert, and he should be. JB Mauney does not back down from those kind of challenges. That's the reason he rides bulls. That's why he's so exciting to watch and so much fun to watch. What another great ride for JB Mauney.
JB's with